If you want to learn how to redeem Xbox game passcodes on PC, just keep on watching. First, open Xbox on your laptop or PC by searching it on the Search tab. Just wait for a few minutes or a few seconds for the application to load, and in a few seconds, you'll be able to redeem the game passcodes. Now, if you currently don't have Xbox downloaded on your laptop or PC, here's what you can do. Using the Search tab, simply search for Microsoft Store and wait for it to load or to open. Once Microsoft Store has opened, just go to the Search tab and search for Xbox. Now, if you haven't downloaded it, you'll see a button which says install or download. Just click that and wait for a few minutes or a few seconds again. Now that you have Xbox on your PC or laptop, here's what you have to do. Press the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and under that, press Settings. Once you press the Settings button, it will lead you or redirect you to this page where you just have to scroll down and look for the Redeem a Code option. Press Redeem, and now you just have to enter the 25-character code in the space below. Once you've entered the code, just press Next and wait for it to completely load. That's all for this video, and if this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.